Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Right. Today, I am going to start grammar. Okay. Already we have learnt, which is backside of our lessons. But now we are going to start from beginning. Okay. Basics. From basics we are going to start. Right. First, Mugira, stand up. How many alphabet do we have in English language?
46.
Hmm?
46.
I am asking about English language.
22.
Where are you, beta? What happened to you?
26.
Stand up, Amma. Sahasra.
26 alphabets.
26 alphabets. Is it correct or wrong, children?
Correct.
How many of you say correct it is? Everyone is saying that is correct. Pujita, what about you? Put your hands down. What about you, Amma?
It is wrong.
Why? Why it is wrong? Where is wrong? Then what is? How many alphabet do we have in English language? Tell me. Okay, I will tell you. It is wrong. I am saying it is wrong. Why? We have only one alphabet in English language. How it is? You are thinking that. See. What is this, children? A. Is it a letter or alphabet, children?
Alphabet.
No. That's a letter. Okay. From A to Z, total set of that letters is called alphabet. Do you understand? In Telugu and in Hindi also we say that Varnamala. Varnamala means all the letters. From A to Gna. A to Vandira. What amma? These are the letters in English alphabet from A to Z. A to Z or A to Z. Both are correct. Z is correct and Z is also correct. Z is American English. Z is Britain English. Okay? That is the difference. That's it. Right? So, we can't say C is an alphabet and D is an alphabet or which alphabet is this? We can't ask that. Alphabet means total letters from A to Z. Set of the letters is called alphabet. Look at the board, children. Now I can ask you which letter is this. Then it is the correct. We can't ask which alphabet is this, which alphabet that. We can't ask. It is not the alphabet. It is a letter in the alphabet. Okay, do you understand the difference between the letters and alphabet? And why your answer is wrong? That also you came to know, right? How many alphabet do we have in English language? Now tell me. Only one alphabet. Okay, if you Google, you will get that only, right? Now I am writing something here. What is this?
Cat.
Is that a word or letter or sentence?
Word.
It's a word. If I write what is there in the word, how we frame the word? With the letter, with a group of letters. It's not single letter. It's a group of letters. So for that too, it has to give the meaning. Okay, meaningful combination of the letters is a word. Okay, for example, if I write, is there any meaning?
No.
That is also group of letters. But can we say it's a word?
No.
We can't say. Why? It is not giving any meaning. It doesn't have any meaning. So a group of letters which gives meaning. Is a word. Do you understand? So that is the letter and this is the word. Now I am going to write something. Paramjot, stand up. What is that? Read, Amma.
There is a cat.
There is a cat. So is that a word or sentence or letter, beta?
Sentence.
How can you say the sentence? How we frame the sentence?
With a group of letters. The combination of words in a meaningful way is called a sentence.
Exactly. Give claps for her. Shabash. Okay. Here we wrote words. What we wrote? Group of words which makes complete sense. Means which gives complete meaning. It's a sentence. What is it? Sentence. So, sentence must begin with a capital letter. For example, if I write, is it a sentence, children?
No.
Why? So, beginning, we are not beginning the sentence with a capital letter here. So, it is wrong. And for the statements, there must be the full stop. What should be there?
Full stop.
Children, look at the board. Likhit, stand up. Last sentence. Read the last sentence.
Is a their cat?
So, is it a sentence or not?
Not.
Why?
The sentence is not.
Words, arrangement of words is not in an order. Okay? To get the meaningful sentence, words should be arranged in an order. Then only it gives meaning and it is called a sentence. Or else it's not a sentence. Right? All of you look at the board, children. Read that sentence.
Mrs. Salma teaches English.
Okay, it's a sentence, right? So, in every sentence, there are two main components. What are they?
Two.
Subject and predicate. Does anyone know what is the subject?
Teacher.
No, sit down. What is the subject? Who will say, Amma?
Salma is English. In what is
No, you have to give the explanation for that.
A work done by the people in the sentence.
Whom we are talking about or what we are talking about. Okay, means the person or the thing which we are talking about is a subject. Okay, here in this sentence, whom we are talking about? Mrs. Salma. So this is the subject. What is this? Subject. Whom we are talking about or what we are talking about is the subject. So we are talking in this sentence about Mrs. Salma. So Mrs. Salma is the subject. Who is doing the action in this sentence?
Mrs. Salma.
Salma is the doer. Doer also we can say, right? So remaining part, teaches English. This is the predicate. What is this? Predicate. What is this? Predicate. So subject and predicate. These two are the main components of a sentence. What are the two main components of the subject? Subject and predicate. So what is predicate? A predicate contains verb. What is this? Teaches is the verb form. What is predicate? The part which tells us about the subject is the predicate. So which part is telling about the subject here? Teaches English. Okay. What that subject is doing? What is the action of the subject here? Teaches. What she is teaching? English. So that is the predicate. Okay. Predicate means it tells about the subject, what it is doing or what the person or the thing doing in the sentence. Okay, now. So Mrs. Salma is the subject and teaches English is the predicate. These two are the main component of a sentence. Sumaya, stand up. Tell me a sentence, beta, which contains subject and predicate. Let me ask her. Any sentence, your wish.
Pujita is sitting beside Sahasra.
Very good, shabash. So in this sentence, what is the subject, beta?
Pujita.
Very good. What, Amma? Come inside. What do you want? Come on, take fast. Pujita is the subject. Then what is the predicate? Come on.
He is sitting beside Sahasra.
That all is the predicate part. Do you understand what is the subject and what is the predicate? One more member I will ask you. Sahan, give an example for subject predicate sentence. Come on. Any sentence you can say.
He is reading book.
In this, what is the subject? Who is doing that action reading? He. So he is the subject. The remaining part which tells about the subject, that is called a predicate. So what is predicate in your sentence? He is reading the book, you say, no? Right? So what is predicate in that sentence?
He is reading book.
Very good. Shabash. Sit down. So now I hope you understand what is the subject and what is the predicate. Everybody, Sirin, look here. Now we are going to move next point. Yashwant, stand up, Amma. Read first sentence.
You keep the basket in the corner.
You keep basket
In the corner.
in the corner. So what is the subject in this? You. What is predicate?
Keep the basket in the corner.
Okay. Till here also it gives a sense. You keep the basket. We can say one sentence. That is extra, right? In the corner. Okay, that is extra. So for example, if just you think that it's not there. You keep the basket is not there. Only in the corner. Is there any meaning to the word or not, children?
No.
Why in the corner means? Corner low. Kada? In the corner means corner low. So it gives, it makes sense. But it's not making complete sense. Okay, just in the corner. What is in the corner? We don't know. But we know in the corner means corner lo ani koddiga meaning telustundi. Telustunda leda? So these kind of group of words, more than two group of words are called phrase. What we call them? Phrase. So this part of the sentence is called a phrase. Phrase means it makes sense. Two or more than two group of words which makes sense but not complete sense. Can we know complete sense?
No.
In the corner means corner lo emundi. What is there? We don't know. Just where is there we know, but what is there we don't know. So it's giving only half of the meaning of the sentence, some of the meaning of the sentence. So those kind of group of words are called phrase. What we call them? Vishwateja, stand up and read the second sentence.
The duster is on the bed.
In this, what is the phrase?
The duster.
Is the duster phrase? Vishwateja, you sit down, listen to her. What is the phrase in that?
He's on the bed.
Not is, only on the bench. On the bench. Something is on the bench. What is that something we don't know, but on the bench we know. So that is a subject or predicate or phrase, children. Phrase means what? Group of words which makes sense but not complete sense. All of you repeat after me definition, beta. Phrase is a group of two or more words. Phrase is a two or more words which makes sense but not complete sense. Do you understand what is phrase? It is also group of words like sentence, but sentence makes complete sense. Okay na? But phrase does not give complete sense. Only it makes some sense. Okay, koddiga meaning ardhamavutadi enti anedi. Okay na? But we cannot know all the things about that. Okay? So this is the phrase. Next, Umayma, stand up. Read the last sentence.
I saw her in the garden.
I saw her in the garden. In this sentence, what is the phrase, Amma? Don't raise your hands and shout. Huh? Very good. In the garden is a
Phrase.
What is that?
Phrase.
Now sit down. Very good. What is the definition, children? What I said? Phrase is a group. See, this is the group, no? Group of words or one word only is there, children?
Group.
Group of two or More than 2 words.
More than.
Okay, 2 or more words which make sense but not complete sense. That is called a.
Phrase.
Do you understand now? Who will say the definition for phrase? Come on, Sirin.
A group of words that make sense but not complete sense.
How many group of words? 2 or?
2 or more.
Very good. Who else will say ma definition? ఇంకెవరైనా చెప్తారా? Come on, Ashish.
The sentence make the full of the sense and phrase make
Sentence? Is it a sentence?
No.
Then?
half sentence.
No, beta. Half sentence we should not say. A phrase is a group of 2 or
3
group of 2 or more words.
more words.
Which makes sense. But
Not complete.
very good. That is a phrase. Do you understand, children? So just you need to understand. You need not to by heart the definition. So what is phrase? Just you need to able to identify the phrase. That's enough for the class 4 students. Okay, you are studying 4th class now. That's enough for you. Right now we are going to learn one more thing which is important.